Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Draw and Donate on Roblox. First, launch Roblox and search for the Draw and Donate experience. Once inside, find an available stand, which will be clearly marked as unclaimed. Simply walk up to it and interact to claim your very own donation booth. This is your first step towards creating and sharing your art while earning Robux. Now that you have your stand, it's time to make it your own. Interact with the stand to bring up the customization options. Here, you can select different templates and color schemes to match your artistic style. Most importantly, you'll set up your donation buttons. You can offer various Robux amounts, such as 5, 10, or even 100, allowing players to choose how much they wish to donate to your creative efforts. With your stand customized and donation buttons set, the fun begins. Use the intuitive in-game drawing tools to create your masterpieces directly on your stand. The more appealing and unique your art, the more likely players are to donate. Remember, any Robux donated to you will be processed through the Roblox system and will appear in your pending Robux balance, ready for you to use after a short waiting period. To maximize your success, keep your drawings fresh and updated regularly. Engaging with other players and politely promoting your stand can also significantly increase your visibility and donations. Remember, patience is key, and consistent effort will yield the best results. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy drawing and donating!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.